The pygmy rattlesnake Cistrus malarius is a small species of venomous pit viper found in the southeastern United States and is particularly abundant in Florida. This species' ecology has not been studied extensively, with most research focused on its venom. Like many snake species, the pygmy rattlesnake is crucial to rodent control and maintaining healthy ecosystems. It is often thought that pygmy rattlesnakes are very aggressive animals. This is not really the case. In a 2005 paper by Glodis et al., they studied the defensive behavior of free-ranging pygmy rattlesnakes in relation to predator avoidance. In the study, researchers recorded whether the snake struck or fled potential predators. At the end of the study, only 8% of all individuals struck at potential predators. Furthermore, according to a study by Harmel et al. 2020, lighter-colored rattlesnakes, which have little contrast with substrate, were less likely to be attacked and were attacked later than dark rattlesnake models. While I have done no formal research on this species, these findings correlate very similar to the individuals I have found in the light, sandy soil near Flamingo Visitor Center, where they express cryptic coloration and blend in. Lastly, pygmy rattlesnakes are known for their namesake rattle. This loud evolutionary adaptation serves as a warning sign to potential predators to stay away. In a way, it serves as a unique form of aposematism by warning with sound rather than color. But does rattling increase feeding requirements or reduce the energy that could be used for reproduction? As it turns out, the answer is no, according to a study by Moon et al. 2006. Rattlesnake rattles are highly efficient and do not reduce overall fitness. The greatest threat to pygmy rattlesnakes' behavior and physiology is the unusual rapid global warming and urbanization. As near-Arctic ectotherms, this species relies on seasonal temperature changes that act as cues for life history events. Furthermore, rapid global warming could have catastrophic impacts on breeding and reproduction in my species. In a 2020 paper by Whitfield et al., researchers recorded defensive strikes of rattlesnakes ranging in body temperature from 15 to 35 degrees Celsius. Overall, warmer snakes are more likely to strike and strike faster than colder snakes. This could be a big problem in the future as rattlesnakes coexist with humans. It could lead to more defensive snakes, more snake bites, and increased rattlesnake persecution. Another concern for pygmy rattlesnakes with regard to climate change is climatic conditions that can lead to profound and long-term developmental issues during embryonic development. These results were studied in depth by Laudis et al. In 2004 on a different viper species. However, both species are viviparous. Hotter and more extreme weather patterns lead to serious birth defects. Lastly, snakes rely on many weather patterns to cue different life history events. In many cases, rising temperature and higher rainfall could have small impacts at first, but over time, a reduced breeding window and loss of ideal habitat could lead to extinction of many reptiles, including pygmy rattlesnakes, as discussed by Guran's 1982. In conclusion, my perception of the pygmy rattlesnake has changed over the course of this semester because I realized many of the behaviors it relies on are severely threatened by our changing world.